my gems, this is Shelly, and in today's video I'm going to share highly requested teenagers skincare routine for summer for different skin types. And most of these products that I'm going to mention in today's video are focused on controlling the breakouts, because during summertime acne, pimple, whiteheads and all stuff are like very common problems. So yeah, I hope you like today's video. And before I proceed further, I quickly want to say that all the mentioned products in today's video will be linked in the description box below. So if you're interested in checking them out or wondering like where you can purchase these products, check out the description box below the video. And some of the links that are included in the description box are my affiliate link, and you don't have to use them to purchase the product, but if you purchase the products through those links, I will get a fraction of commission on the sale made, which will eventually help in growing my channel. So my dear teenagers, before you go to bed at night, I want to request you all to start doing the double cleansing method to properly clean your face. And in the double cleansing method, we use two types of product. The first one is the oil based product and the second one is the water based product. So for the oil based product, I highly want to recommend the Banila Co Clean It Zero. This is basically a balm cleanser. You need to use this on your dry face with your dry hand. Massage till you see that your waterproof makeup, your BB cream, your sunscreen has completely melted away. Then add little water, just a tiny amount of water to emulsify it. And by emulsification I mean that when you add the water, the oily film on your skin changes to milky solution, and then again like massage say for 10-20 seconds and then rinse it off with the plain water. And using this balm cleanser like not only easily removes your makeup and sunscreen, but at the same time it also gets rid of the trapped sebum, excessive oil and the sweat and dirt in your pore. Like if you don't remove all these things from your face at night, in the long run what happens is it continuously gives you breakout. So if you want to stay away from breakout, start using this balm cleanser. And just in case, like I do know like some of you are not comfortable with oily products like balm cleanser or oil cleanser, or your skin doesn't like the oil based cleanser, so instead you can also use the Bioderma Sensibio micellar water. Like this is the most gentle micellar water that I've used till date. Highly recommended for sensitive and acne prone skin. And once you are like done using these oil based cleanser, then follow up with your water based cleanser. And for that I want to highly recommend the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This cleanser has low pH, so it's not gonna irritate your skin. And secondly, this contains BHA in a very low percentage, so it's again gonna like reduce the breakout on your skin. And these two products are literally like my favorite for my acne prone skin, and I have used it like on and off from 2017, and these have like been tested for a really long time, so you can literally like try out this one. And you don't have to do the double cleansing in the morning time, just make sure that you do it only in the night time. And in the morning you can use this Cosrx Low pH cleanser, and this alone is sufficient for your morning skincare routine. So once you are done properly cleansing your face, make sure that you are using a very gentle toner, and I highly want to recommend the Purito Centella Unscented Toner. And I decided to pick this toner because of course it is very gentle, but it is also very lightweight and perfect for the summertime, and also it is very calming in nature. Like I do know that when we break out, we do deal with some redness, irritation and some pain in our skin, and that feeling is not at all comfortable. So this toner will help in reducing and controlling that uncomfortable feeling on your face. So use this toner after you have cleansed for both morning and night routine. And if in the summertime you see that you are breaking out very frequently and you face some excessive sweat and greasiness on your face, so for that you can try out this Minimalist Niacinamide 5% with hyaluronic acid 1%. Again, this is quite gentle and can be used by teenagers. So this serum, what it will do is it will reduce that excessive oil in your skin, and at the same time, if you have acne, it will also calm them down. So if you have skin type which is normal and dry, use this only at night. But if you have skin type which is like oily and combination, use this serum for both morning and night routine. So after you are done using a toner and serum on your face, make sure that you use a right moisturizer for your skin type. If you have skin type which is from like a normal to dry, use the Cosrx Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. This is basically a sleeping mask, that is, it is meant to be used at the night time, but I have used it many times in the morning routine as well, and it is perfectly safe for that. And I picked this moisturizer for the teenagers with dry and normal skin, because not only it's going to moisturize your skin, but at the same time it will also reduce some dullness in your skin. And for the teenagers who have skin type which is oily or combination, I want to recommend the Cosrx Oil Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion with Bird Sap. Now this is again a very gentle product. It has that gel cream sort of texture, very lightweight, feels very hydrating and calming on your skin. So this is why it's going to be perfect for you. Also, my dear teenagers, like, this is something I regret not doing it during my teenage years, but at the same time I completely don't blame myself, because a decade back or before there were no good sunscreen, there were no good options in the market. But you people are lucky because we have so many good options at the moment. And for the skin type which is like normal to dry, I want to recommend the Innisfree Blueberry Rebalancing Watery Sunscreen with SPF 45 PA+++. So this sunscreen has a lotion-like texture. It is extremely lightweight and is perfect for the summertime, and plus it's not gonna leave any white cast or sticky feeling. So if you have like skin type which is normal to dry, definitely check this out. But if you have skin type which is oily or combination, that is, you get greasy and oily very easily during the summertime, then check out the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++. So this sunscreen is extremely lightweight. Like, I have tried out so many sunscreen till now, but this is the most lightweight sunscreen, and also it doesn't leave any white cast, and plus it sets to matte finish, so it is perfect for the people who sweat easily during the summertime. I quickly want to put out that the two mentioned sunscreen are very gentle and they are mostly suitable for the regular usage. Like, if you are going out in the sun to play some sports or for swimming and stuff, like any activity which will lead to a lot of sweating, so for that these two sunscreen are not sufficient. For those outdoor activity, you will need sunscreen that have very thick texture. So the skincare products that I have mentioned till now are like more than sufficient for the teenagers. You really don't need any other products in your skincare routine. But if you still feel like, no, I need some intensive acne products, so instead of using all those DIY hacks that you see online, instead of using all that lemon and tomato on your face, and do not put that toothpaste on your acne, like, instead of doing all this nonsense stuff on your face, try out the two intensive treatment that I'm about to share. The first product is the Jumiso ACQ Spot Cream, and just like the name, this is a spot cream. This is not to be used on your full face. Like, do not use it on full face. Do not do this mistake. So whenever you see that you are breaking out and you have done all your skincare routine, after that, at the last step, 30 minutes before going to the bed, take a very small quantity of this and apply it on your active acne. Massage it for a minute and then make sure that you wash your hand, because even by mistake, if it goes into your eyes, I'm telling you, you're gonna cry. It's gonna sting very bad. Your eyes might turn red. So not even by mistake, this product should go around your eyes. Like, keep it away from your eye area. So whenever you are using this spot cream, make sure that you wash your hand properly. And the next product is the Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2%. So this is a very intensive treatment for your acne, so do not use it daily. You only need to use it once or twice in a week, that too at night. So after you have like done cleansing your face, pat dry your face, take some 4 or 5 drops of it and apply it all over face and wait for a minute, and then follow up with your rest of the skincare routine. And I do know that using so many products can be confusing and it will take some time before you get used to this routine. So to simplify things for you, I'm gonna list down all the products like whatever I've shared till now for different skin types. So if you have skin type which is like normal and dry, your morning skincare routine will look something like this. Like you just need to cleanse your face, use the Purito toner, then apply your Cosrx rice sleeping mask, and then end your morning routine with the Innisfree sunscreen. And your night skincare routine will look something like this. That is, you gonna use the Vanilla Co Clean It Zero cleansing balm, use the Cosrx cleanser, and use the salicylic acid serum only once in a week. Like if you have dry or normal skin, use salicylic acid only once in a week. Do not use it more than that. And after that, you're gonna follow up with your Purito toner, niacinamide serum, and Cosrx rice sleeping mask. So my dear teenagers who have skin type which is combination or oily, that is more towards the oilier side, you get oily very easily. So your morning and night routine for summer will look something like this. So in the morning, you're gonna cleanse your face with the Cosrx cleanser, use the Purito toner, and do use the niacinamide serum, and then follow up with the Cosrx oil-free lotion, and end your morning routine with the Biore sunscreen. And your night routine will look something like this. Start your night routine with the double cleansing method, how I've explained in the beginning of the video. Then use the salicylic acid serum once or twice only, not more than 2 times per week. And then follow up with the Purito toner, use the niacinamide serum, use the Cosrx oil-free lotion, and if needed, only then use the Jumiso AC Spot Cream on your active acne. So all the products that I've mentioned in today's video are something that I would recommend to any teenagers out there. They are like safe for you people. They are like effective on your general breakout. But just in case if you are having severe acne, you are breaking out a lot, please go and visit the dermatologist, because along with some skincare products, you will be needing a good diet chart. You will be needing some medicines to control the breakout and everything. So don't fool around with yourself and don't be dependent on the stuff that's available on Google. Go and get the checkup done with the dermatologist. So that's all for today's video, and if you like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also you can share this video with your teenage friend or anyone literally who needs a good skincare guidance. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I think I've said literally everything. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.